everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah and I usually talk about food here, or I'm in my kitchen sharing. So I am going to try to get through this video as fast as I can and just give you a little bit of an update. If you've been around or seen some of my videos, I have been using the Weight Watchers program, or had been using the Weight Watchers program for a very long time, on and off again, in a good way. So what I wanted to share with you today is that I am currently not a member of Weight Watchers. I got rid of my membership, and I've done that throughout the 12 years that I have been on Weight Watchers, and maybe that is true for a lot of you. So I wanted to share where I'm at today and why I made the decision. Well, I think I mentioned the decision why I foregoed my membership. One, I wanted to save a little bit of money, and it's not a whole lot for some, and for some it is quite a bit. So I understand the hesitancy why people do not join. I have not looked into the new rollout program that they did, I believe November 21, and it's November 21 right now. But I am maintaining. I have a great understanding of the points I'm eating on a regular basis, and I think with my whole new mental shift going from pretty much July of 21 to now it's November of 21, I have a different perspective of food. It's working right now. I am working, I am a teacher, I have a stressful job just like you, I have great days just like you, I hope. But I'm able to maintain, and that's really important. So I foregoed the membership. I owe a lot to the Weight Watchers program, because in those early stages of 2011, when I was how many pounds heavier? Probably about 55 pounds heavier than I am now. I really do owe it to that program and that community that helped me get through on a day-to-day basis, if not hour by hour. So now that I've come this far, and this has happened many times where I go off of the program and I maintain for a long time. The last time I went off the program, I was pregnant. And I stayed off of that program for quite some time because I had an infant and I was not ready to tackle, and honestly, I maintained my weight for a very long time. Through some health issues, I gained weight, and naturally, with that came stress, and I needed to do some reevaluating of my diet once again. So over the past year or so, I had made this video that actually grew in some popularity, and maybe that's why you have subscribed. And I don't really, honestly, I don't really mean to maintain this channel all about Weight Watchers. So if you're here for that, go watch previous videos, but from moving on forward, I'm really not going to share too much about Weight Watchers. It's a great program for many people, and I owe a lot to them. I really believe in the point system and how that works, and if you use it like a savings, meaning you only get this much per day, and when it's gone, it's gone. That really was successful for me and a lot of other people that I know. So anyway, I am maintaining my weight. I have been able to shift some of my calories naturally. I find this really strange because if you are in the program, you know how much like an avocado is. And I will eat an avocado in one day sometimes as like guacamole. But I don't have refined sugars. I am not eating a lot of these filler snacks. The only thing I'll eat is like a date And that really does satisfy me. But not having sugar in your diet makes a huge difference. There lies the golden rule of thumb here. I've learned that dairy irritates me, so I don't eat hardly any dairy. It's very limited, and I usually save that for taco night, which is usually more than one time a week. But so I just wanted to give you an update on where I am in my maintenance, and moving forward, I really am not going to use Weight Watchers like I mentioned before, but stick around. I will be posting some videos. I think naturally I'm going to start sharing some stuff that, you know, is going on in life. So I might post some videos about, I know it's around the holidays. I don't really get into the holidays like big time. I don't have 6 trees. I don't have a plethora of decorations. We have decorations, but it is minimal, and we love each and every one of them. But anyway, so I might share a little bit about that. If you're interested, let me know if you've made it this far in the video. But anyways, it's very, very minimal. I kind of compare myself sometimes in a healthy way to the influencers that I see on some social media. I'm just like, I am not going to spend 6 hours decorating. But anyways, we have some great decorations and a lot of family traditions. So, and that's what takes up a lot of my time, are these family traditions. For example, I do a scavenger hunt for my young one, and that takes time. It takes time to prep it. It's different every year, and we all look forward to that. So it's not all about quantity of stuff. It's about, you know, the quality of taking those moments and days with your family and enjoying that time. So holidays are coming up. I hope you are well and staying healthy, and until next time, take care.